Hello students, myself Vijay Badoria, Study Point Inter College, Khairabad, Sitapur. Today I am going to explain this question so graphically that the system of linear equations 2x minus 3y equal to 5, 6y minus 4x equal to 3 is inconsistent and has no solution. Okay, is inconsistent and has no solution. So now convert the first you should have to draw table for these two equations. First draw how will you draw graph table for this linear equation. So come and see this. First equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 5, 3y equal to, put 3y that side and bring 5 in this side, 2x minus 5. So 3y equal to 2x minus 5. 5 will come this side, so 2x minus 5, and 3 will go that side, so 3y equal to 2x minus 5. So it is written in this form, 3y equal to 2x minus 3y equal to 2x minus 5. So y equal to 2x minus 5, 3 will come upon y equal to 2x minus 5 upon 3. Now we got y equal to 2x minus 5 upon 3. First draw table for this. So put x equal to minus 2. Putting x equal to minus 2, what will we get? 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 5, minus 9 upon 3. Minus 9 upon 3 means minus 3. So y will be minus 3. Here it is y equal to minus 3. On putting x equal to 1 in this, on putting x equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2 minus 5 minus 3 upon 3, minus 3 upon 3, it will come minus 1. So y is minus 1. Here it is y equal to minus 1. Now put x equal to 4, 2 into 4, 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5 means 3, 3 upon 3, 1. Y will come 1. So on putting x equal to 4, y is 1. Now for the second equation, draw a graph of 6y minus 4x equal to 3, because second equation was 6y minus 4x equal to 3. See in the question, draw the graph, change it, 6y minus 4x equal to 3. Write that 6y equal to send 4x to the right hand side, 4x will be plus 3 plus 4x, and so 6y equal to 3 plus 4x, y equal to 6 will come in upon 3 plus 4x upon 6, y equal to 3 plus 4x upon 6. Now draw table for this also. Draw table for this, for y equal to 3 plus 4x upon 6. Draw table for y equal to 3 plus 4x upon 6. X equal to, put x equal to minus 3. 4 into minus 3, minus 12. Minus 12 plus 3, minus 9 upon 6. Minus 9 upon 6, it means minus 3 upon 2. Minus 9 upon 6, 3 3 is 3 2 is, so minus 3 upon 2. Y is minus 3 upon 2. Put x equal to 0. X, on putting x equal to 0, 3 plus 4 into 0, 3 upon 6. 3 upon 6, 1 by 2. Y is 1 by 2. On putting x equal to 3, x equal to 3, 3 4 is 12. 12 plus 3, 15 upon 6. 15 upon 6 means 3 5 is 3 2 is 5 upon 2. Y is 5 upon 2. Now we are getting table for these two equations. Y equal to 2x minus 5 upon what was the equation of our, what was the equation? 2x minus 3y equal to 5. Table is this, and for 4x was 6y minus 4x equal to 3. Table is this. Now we should have to draw the graph. Now see the how will we draw the graph. See, now for the equation 2x minus 3y equal to 5, this is the line according to the table. How can we draw? First 2x, for 2x minus 3y equal to 5, we are having x is minus 2. First point is x is minus 2 and y is minus 3. X is minus 2 and y is minus 3. Start from here. Minus 2, x minus 2 means 1, 2. Come here, 1, 2, minus 2, and y is minus 3, so 1, 2 and 3. This is point minus 2 comma 3. Now next point is 1 comma minus 1. X is 1 and y is minus 1, so x is 1 and y is minus 1. This is the point B. This is the point B. Plot these points A and B. Now third point is C. What is the C point? X is 4 and y is 1. So start from here. X 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. X is 4 and y is 1. Go upside. This is C point. Now join these 3 points A, B, C. We will get a line. We will get a line for the equation 2x minus 3y equal to 5. Point A, point B. Point A is minus 2 comma minus 3. See in the table. B is 1 comma minus 1. See in the table. And C is 4 comma 1. See in the table. Join these points. We will get a line. Now for the second equation was 6y minus 4x minus 3. We have draw a table. See in the table. To understand this better, first note down in the video of whose picture I have sent you. First note down, then understand the video. Table for the 6y minus 4x equal to 3 is given. X equal to minus 3 and y is minus 3 by 2. Start from here. X is minus 3. So minus 3 means 1, 2, 3. Minus 3 and y is minus 3 by 2 means come downside 1 and half. Minus 3 by 2 means 1 and a half. So minus 3 by 2 we will get minus 3 comma minus 3 by 2 as a point P. Dot it, and now come to the next point. X is 0 and y is 1 by 2. X is 0 and y is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half. 1 is here, so 1 by 2a will be here. 0 comma 1 by 2. This is Q point. This is P. This is Q. And next point is x is 3 and y is 5 by 2. X is 3. Start from here. 1, 2, 3 and 5 by 2 means 2 and a half. 1, 2 and half. 3 comma 5 by 2 is R. So we are getting for the line 6y minus 4x equal to 3 points P, Q and R. Join these points. We are getting a line. As you are seeing in the figure, these two lines are parallel. Okay, as you are seeing in this picture, these two lines are parallel. It means the given system of equation had no solution, because if they are intersecting lines, they are intersecting, so there will be one solution. Okay, since these are parallel, so there will be no solution for the system of equations, and it also be inconsistent solution. If there is no solution, it means it is inconsistent. So this system has inconsistent and having no solution, because these lines do not intersect and do not overlap to each other. Okay, now see this question. So graphically that the system of equation 3x minus 3y 3x minus y equal to 2 and 9x minus 3y equal to 6. So graphically that the system of equation 3x minus y equal to 2 and 9x minus 3y equal to 6. 3x minus y equal to 2 and 9x minus 3y equal to 6 has an infinite number of solutions. Has an infinite number of solution. What will we see in this question? Let me explain. First, draw graph for the equation 3x minus y equal to 2. 3x minus y equal to 2. Graph of 3x minus y equal to 2. What will be graph? Put y that side, y equal to, and bring send to left hand side. So 2 will be minus, 3x minus 2. Y will go that side, so y will be plus. Y equal to 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 equal to y, because y will go that side, it will be a plus. okay, and 2 will come this side, so 2 will be negative. Y equal to 3x minus 2. We can write in this way, y equal to 3x minus 2. Now draw the graph. X equal to, on putting x equal to minus 1 into 3, minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Y is minus 5. On putting x equal to 0, x equal to 0, 3 into 0, 0, 0 minus 2 minus 2. Y is minus 2. So y is minus 2. On putting x equal to 2, 3 2 just 6, 6 minus 2, 4. Y is 4. On putting x equal to 2, y is 4. 2 3 just 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. Now draw the graph for the equation 9x minus 3y equal to 6. 9x minus 3y equal to 6. Send 3y that side, 3y 6 this side, 9x minus 6, 3y 9x minus 6 equal to 3y. Bring 6 this side, here it will be 9x minus 6, and send 3y that side, so 3y will be plus. So 3y equal to 9x minus 6, you can write in this way, 3y equal to 9x minus 6, y equal to 9x minus 6 upon 3, 3 will come upon. Now draw a table for this, draw table for this, y equal to 9x minus 6 upon 3. On putting x equal to minus 2, 9 into minus 2, minus 18, minus 6, minus 18 minus 6, minus 24 upon 3, minus 24 upon 3 means minus 8. So y is minus 8. Put x equal to 1, 9 into 1, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6, 3 upon 3, it will come 3 upon 3, 1. So on putting 1 equal to y is 1. Now put x equal to 2. On putting x equal to 2, 9 into 2, 18, minus 6 upon 3, 18 minus 6 means 18 minus 6 means 12, 12 upon 3, it will be 4, 4, y is 4. So on putting x equal to minus 2, we are getting minus 8 from this. On putting x equal to 1, we are getting y from this, and on putting x equal to 2, we are getting y as 4 from this. Okay, now see how will you draw the graph for these two tables. Now as we are getting for two equations, two tables, y equal to 3x minus 2, for y equal to 3x minus 2 is table is this, and for y equal to 9x minus 6 upon 3 table is this. So plot these points on the graph. How will you draw? Say this. First, for the equation y equal to 3x minus 2, x is minus 1, y is minus 5. Start from here, 0, x is minus 1, x is minus 1 and y is minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1 comma 5. Plot this point as a. Now next point is x is 0 and y is minus 2. 0, x is 0 and y is minus 2. 1, 2, minus 2. Plot this point as a b. 0 comma minus 2. Third point is 2 comma 4. Start from here, 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plot this point as a c. 2 comma 4. Joining these lines, we are getting ABC as a line. Now for this, y equal to 9x minus 6 upon 3 table is this. So plot these points. X is minus 2, y is minus 8, x is minus 2, 1, 2, minus 2 and minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This point is come on this line that I have drawn before. On that line, plot this as a p, minus 2 comma minus 8. This point is coming on the line that we have drawn first. Now check second point, 1 comma 1, x is 1 and y is 1. So start from here, 1, x 1, y is 1. This is q. This is also coming on that line, q 1 comma 1. This is point also on that line we have draw first. Now see the third point, x is 2, x is 2 and y is 4. So draw. x2 means 1 2 and 4, 1 2 3 4. This also come on this line. So these two lines are overlapping. Okay, coincides means graph of the graph, the as we are seeing the two graphs lines coincide means for graph of first line, first equation and graph of second equation overlap means एक दूसरे के ऊपर ही दोनों लाइन ओवरलैप कर रही हैं. ओके, so in this case we are getting infinite number of solution when two graphs overlap each other means एक दूसरे के ऊपर जब दोनों लाइंस होंगी तो there will be infinite number of solution for the system of equation. Now thank you and have a good day for you.